Hello and welcome back to Baking by Leah. This week I'm going to be making parathas. In my bowl I'm going to add wholemeal flour, one teaspoon of salt, and now I'm going to gradually add 300 millilitres of water and mix it together until it goes smooth, elastic, and it is no longer sticky. To knead my dough for 5 minutes. Lightly floured a bowl. I'm going to place my dough in the bowl and cover it with a tea towel and leave to one side for half an hour. Now my dough has finished resting, I'm going to divide it into 8 equal pieces. I'm now going to roll each of my dough balls into 30cm circles. Now I'm going to shape my bread. I'm going to fold the top third of it down to the middle. And brush it with some melted butter. And I'm going to lightly dust it with some flour. And I'm going to do the same with each side. You can put them on a plate and leave them to one side covered in a tea towel until you are ready to cook yours. I'm going to cook mine now. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take one of my earlier made ones and I'm going to roll it out till it's 3mm thick. I have put my saucepan on a medium heat and I have lightly oiled it with vegetable oil. I'm now going to cook them. I'm now going to add one in and use a spatula to press it down so it cooks evenly. I will know when the bread is cooked as it will freckle with small brown patches on both sides. Thank you for watching this week's YouTube video. I hope you enjoyed it.